Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram invite message problem on iPhone or Android. If you are using any iPhone or any Android phone or you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to message any person, you see that you have to invite them to chat with you on Instagram. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens due to the second person's privacy settings. If you want to chat with them, so you just have to enter or send them a single message, and once they have accepted your message request, you will be able to chat with them easily without an issue. Or if the person have accepted your chat request but you are still facing this issue, so this might be a network issue or your app issue. You can try to switch between your network or to try to enable or disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then open your App Store here or Play Store, and you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to try to update your Instagram app. And after updating, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.